Hey, welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to submit your class notes in Canvas. So you're going to need two things. You're going to need the Canvas app and you're going to need the Notes app. So first thing you'll do is you'll go ahead and log into the Canvas app, and when you guys do so, make sure that you guys are searching for Huntington Beach or Huntington Beach City School District and not Dwyer Middle School. Dwyer Middle School will not show up. Okay, so you're logged into Canvas, and then you guys are going to go ahead and stay logged into Canvas, and you're going to click on your Notes app. After you click on your Notes app, you're going to go ahead and click Create a New Note. And then you're going to go ahead and select the camera icon. And here it's important that you guys click on Scan Documents. Don't pick choose a photo or a video, or even take a photo or a video. Make sure it's on Scan Documents. So then go ahead and hold your device over your notes. Hold it, stand up and hold it flat, over the top of your notes. And then you're going to scan it. And then what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to carefully crop your notes so that there's nothing else that's visible in the background, okay? And then when you do so, go ahead and crop it so there's a little bit of the 3-ring binder visible. That way I know that you guys are keeping your notes in your 3-ring binder. Okay, go ahead, after you scan your notes, go ahead and click Keep Scan. And if you have to do another scan, scan it again. And after you've after you've scanned your second document, or even after you've scanned your first one, as long as you don't need more, go ahead and click on Save. And then after you click Save, you're going to go ahead and click that really small drop-down arrow box. That's new in iOS 17. And then you're going to click Share. And then go to Canvas Student, your Canvas app, I should say. And then click the Select Course arrow. Find your course. Go ahead and select the assignment, so whatever the assignment is that you're submitting. In this case, it's 1-7A, Alex Notes and Examples. And then go ahead and click Submit. And after you click Submit, you're going to go ahead and wait until you see this message here, and then you're all done. At that point, go ahead and clear your notes. Go ahead and sign out of Canvas, or you can submit additional sets of notes as needed. Okay? All right, give it a go, you guys. Good luck.